Okay. Cathedral Wash. Oh, baby. Lots of rocks. Wow. You rock hunter, you. Does that look natural? Really? God, it looks like a great job of landscaping. Amazing. Ooh, this is nice. Solid rock. It's great. Catching any of what you're saying. The wind is too strong. Hi, how was it? How was it?
Oh, it was beautiful at the end.
Beautiful, but I'm not going to lie to you, it's hard. I'm 57. So, 69. If you feel like you can't, just turn around and come back.
What's hard? What is it that's hard about it?
There's one spot where you have to go down, but keep in mind, everything you go down, you got to come back up.
Yeah, how far down? I mean, it's like...
How tall are you?
5'3".
Okay.
Yeah, see,
so
I'm
you're
only 5'1.5", so it was tough.
It was tough getting back up.
All right, good to know. I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to be stupid. I'm going to turn around and go.
Had a guy not been there to help, I don't think I would have gotten it.
Oh, well, it's good that you made it out. We don't need helicopters coming for you, right? She would have.
It was tough. I'm not going to lie. So
well, okay, well, thanks for the information. I appreciate it.
But it's beautiful. If you do make it to the end, it is absolutely worth it.
How far is it?
1.5 miles. So it's 1.6 miles to
one way.
To,
one way. Yeah, we won't get that far. I'm sure we won't.
So, you know, if you make it, it's definitely.
Oh, look at this, Nathan.
But that's the
Well, this-
Colorado River. I don't know if you can see it.
That's
though.
beautiful.
And
Oh,
we
you
spent
got.
about an hour at the river.
Oh,
So
see
it
if
was
I can get
nice
another
to just,
portrait
and
here.
it was really cool on the river.
It's just
And
beautiful.
It's really
gorgeous. Well, we went up on the Spencer Trail
Oh,
today.
yeah.
We did the river thing, then we went to Spencer. We didn't go all the way.
All the way,
But we
yeah.
went quite a ways.
Yeah.
Well, far enough to get a good view.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
That looks incredible. Thanks for letting me know.
It was
Good
it
luck.
is beautiful.
Yeah.
Good luck.
All right. Good luck to you. It's
Thanks.
almost done.
Yeah, we're almost done.
Yeah. What is she, 53? 51? 57. All right. Well, I think I'm in. I don't think I would. I don't know. We'll have to see. Okay. All right. I can't say that I can go to the end. That's a long ways in sand. Round trip. Have we ever done 3 miles round trip before? Oh. Is that what that was? Yeah, I think my shoes gave me issues. Look at those yellow things. There they are. Look at this. This is a dirt devil or something. Sweeping up. Yep. We're gonna take a look at it. See. This is gorgeous. Yeah, there's a lot of sand here to blow up. But how you want to keep going? All right. It's going deeper. Just remember, whenever you go down, you got to come up. Look how orange that is to compare to the ones around it. Oh, God. You think we could grow these flowers in Tucson? I got to find out what they are. This is amazing. Ooh, interesting.